Let's get into the video.
Best car fails and wins part 5.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Here's a little life hack to do if you have difficulties pumping gas.
That sounded naughty.
Here's how you can shock a random going pedestrian. When you have watched Tokyo Drift once. Have you ever watched animals sprinting? Well, now you have seen it.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
White chick with red flare with white Audi. Deadly combination.
Nice.
Quick fact, Corvettes are named after a type of warship. This Mario is really lucky.
Damn!
Quick fact, Italy boasts more cars per person than any other nation in the world with 32 million vehicles for 57 million people. This Supra takes a very powerful start. Jesse shows you a very cool compact car.
I am not outsider, I'm a picky blind. I need it!
This is what happened when you get to an empty parking lot. Here is a little compilation of beautiful girls and beautiful rides.
Hey, that's pretty good.
This is what happened when you wear a large size shoe.
Stop it. Get some help.
Here is Jesse driving a Mustang.
When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze when these people.
Quick fact, Toyota Supra cars have appeared in dozens of movies. Here's a clip showing how you can be hit by a car and still be intact.
Wait, what?
How low can you go in a car? Well, take a look by yourself.
Do it! Just do it!
Quick fact, real drift cars are 94% metal, 4% rubber, and 2% zip ties. And if you not got any crash damaged cars, then you're not trying hard enough. This drifting NASCAR is a drift king.
Impressive. Most impressive.
Quick fact, there were several names proposed before the Mustang was given its famous moniker. This includes Cougar, Panther, Colt, Stiletto, Comet, Allegro, and many more. Here's a car lover on his wedding day.
Then it's a good thing your feelings aren't a priority.
This modified ride looks dope.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it.
Have you ever seen trucks going crazy?
Speed's what we need. We need greasy, fast speed.
When you need a new battery for your car.
Another one.
A very cute surprise for you.
Yeah, they had us the first half, I'm not gonna lie.
So if you're new here, consider subscribing.
When you get the car you want for the first time.
Girl, I must.
This concept car has come straight from the future. Quick fact, World War II delayed the launch of the first Ferrari. In this clip, here's the person who left his car and forgot it's still running, and the car came straight into the garden.
That's a lot of damage!
Neon lights are new thing.
Spicy.
Quick fact, the Fenner Supersport is the second hypercar in W Motor sought after portfolio. Here is how you can travel if the car is full. Here's the most insane concept car ever, Mercedes-Benz Silverlight. This JDM sounds amazing. Drifting when done right looks like this.
Smooth, very smooth stuff.
Here's how you can pass goodies to a monster truck driver.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me.
Here's Jesse showing us a Nissan car. Quick fact, Ferraris come in a variety of colors including black, white, green and silver, but most people often opt to the famous red paint job. Here is a quick DIY to do if your front mirror is not working.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Quick fact, car backfire is a sign that there is a significant problem with the combustion of your engine. At best, an engine that's backfiring will be losing a lot of wasted fuel. Me and my boys when someone gets in a fight. Yeah! Trying to slide in a Nissan be-like.
Another one.
One more for the hood.
Chilling in my car be-like. This black car driver is a drifting.
Do it!
Here you will see what is called a close call. Lucky boy.
Yep, you're a lucky luck boy.
Think drifting is just two maniacs sliding around the track in out of control, high-powered tuner cars.
Wow.
Here's what happened when a lowrider tries to drift.
Still doing that.
The popcorn maker of the day.
Hey, stop! This is sickening.
Here's Nissan 370Z drifting. What is this weird kind of thing? Looks like something from Mad Max. This Dodge car looks sick.
Spicy.
Quick fact, Ferrari's trademark red color wasn't the company's idea.
But how?
This Corvette is shiny. This McLaren is stunning.